Has this ever happened to you? You're ready to run payroll, everything's approved, but then a key person is no longer with the company, or maybe someone new has joined and their signature is needed. Suddenly, your smooth payroll process hits a roadblock. It's a common problem, and it can be a major headache. Well, what if I told you there's a simple, streamlined way to handle this? Today, we're diving into the process of adding or updating a company signatory for payroll approvals. It's a crucial task for maintaining a seamless and compliant payroll system, and getting it right is key to avoiding delays and ensuring your employees get paid on time. First things first, let's talk about why this is so important. A payroll signatory isn't just someone who signs a piece of paper. They are the authorized individual who takes on the legal and financial responsibility for the payroll run. They confirm that all the figures are correct, deductions are properly applied, and that the company is in compliance with all relevant labor laws and tax regulations. When you change this person, you're not just swapping a name, you're transferring a significant amount of responsibility. The process typically starts with a formal request. This isn't a casual chat. It's a documented process that often involves HR and the finance department. The request should specify the full name of the new signatory, their official title, and their new role in the payroll approval process. Once the request is made, the next step is verification and authorization. This is where the company's internal controls come into play. A senior executive or the board of directors will need to formally approve the change. This is a critical step that ensures only authorized personnel are granted this level of access and responsibility. After the approval, the new signatory needs to be added to all relevant systems. This includes your payroll software, banking portals, and any internal platforms used for approval workflows. It's vital that their access is correctly configured and that the old signatory's access is revoked. This prevents any potential security breaches and ensures there is no confusion over who is authorized to approve future payroll runs. Finally, it's about communication and training. Inform all relevant departments, like your accounting and human resources teams, about the change. The new signatory should receive proper training on the payroll process, the software, and their specific responsibilities. This ensures a smooth transition and minimizes the risk of errors. Getting this process right is a small but mighty step in maintaining a robust and reliable payroll system. By following these steps, you can ensure your company's payroll approvals are always handled by the right people, with the right authority, at the right time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.